Hi everyone, Vinnie here from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most practical time-saving Excel tools for real estate, logistics, marketing, and data analysis. And every day we help teams eliminate repetitive work and get accurate geocoding mapping and location-based insights instantly inside Excel. And that's our goal and our mission. And we've helped over 7,000 customers across multiple industries simplify their work with Excel tools just like this one. We're proud to have earned more than 150 five-star reviews on Google, which means a lot to us, not just because of the sheer number, but because it shows how much people trust the tools we build to support their day-to-day activities and workflows. And today I want to share a story about one of my customers, Luis Martinez, a real estate portfolio analyst overseeing more than 2,400 properties across 3 states, and was drowning in manual work. Every week, she spent around 15 hours plotting properties on maps, geocoding addresses, and identifying market clusters. With a quarterly portfolio review just 2 weeks away and more than 800 properties still needing to be geocoded, she was stressed, behind schedule, and her boss was getting impatient. So the manual process was killing the productivity. And that's when Luis searched for a better solution, asked the magical words, "It's got to be a better way," and came across our Excel Latitude Longitude generator, a bulk geocoder built directly into Excel. One quick Google search for bulk geocoder Excel tool led her to the exact tools that would change her entire workflow in minutes. And the transformation was immediate. Instead of spending 15 hours a week manually geocoding, the Excel geocoder processed all of her 2,500 properties in just 15 minutes. That alone gave Louise her evening back. She processed her entire portfolio with just one click, and suddenly all of the property addresses were converted to clean, accurate latitude and longitude coordinates she could use anywhere. Tableau, Power BI, GIS tools, and her team's existing mapping software. Even better, the tool handled mixed address formats from different databases, something her old system constantly struggled with. When it came time to present to investors, Louise felt more confident than ever, knowing that every property location in her deck was accurately geocoded and up to date. No more guesswork, no inconsistency, just precise Google verified location data. So how does this tool actually work? And it's incredibly simple. Louise just pasted her property addresses into Excel, full addresses, zip code, city, state, or any combination her databases used. Then she clicked the generate button, no coding, no technical setup, and the tool immediately tapped into the power of Google Maps API and produced longitude, latitude, and even the altitude for every single property in her portfolio. Within seconds, all of her coordinates were ready to export into Tableau, Power BI, GIS platforms, or any mapping tool that she needed for her analysis. And because her tool runs entirely inside Excel, there is no software installation, no training needed, and no IT involvement. If you can copy and paste, you can use our software. If your team needs fast, accurate geocoding and you want to eliminate hours of manual work or expensive subscriptions, just check out the Excel Geocoder using the link in the description. And if you ever need a custom Excel tool for your workflows, feel free to reach out to me directly at ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. This is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, and thank you for watching this video. And if this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on our next time saving Excel tool or another video showcasing some of what we do. Thank you.